Everyone, my name is Vidya, and I am a very happy, healthy, um, middle aged, average looking, middle class woman starting this program blog called as Happy, Healthy, and Hungry for More. It is something I've never done before. I've never spoken in front of a camera before, and this is the first time I'm doing it. And I just wanted to challenge myself, to see if I can do it. Talk extempore, talk spontaneously about topics, all topics under the sun. So I've called this show Happy, Healthy, and Hungry for More because I believe that one should be happy. Happiness is at the core. Only if you are happy, you can do a lot of things. Health is wealth, and whether it's physical or mental health, we pay a lot of attention to our physical health. A cold, a cough, and we run to a doctor. Not anymore though. We are scared to death nowadays. But mental health somehow gets forgotten, and I believe that mental health is more important because everything is in the mind. And when the mind suddenly, you are trapped in your own set of emotions and your conditioning, and when that gets too much for you to bear, and it gets thrown out and manifested as a physical symptom. So that is where paying more attention to the mind and the mental health is more important. So I'm going to talk a lot about mental health also, and why it is important to accept that yes, we need that support, whether it's a professional support or support from your loved ones or your best friends, where you can confidently share things. It's very important. And if it is on a professional note, if you really have serious problems, then to visit a counselor or to visit a psychiatrist. Please understand that it is okay, and to see that your mental and physical well-being is maintained. So it's very important. Lastly, the question of hungry for more. I feel there are so many topics under the sun. We have Oprah and so many other hosts taking up these having programs which have run for years altogether, and we have so many topics that we can talk about, yet we don't talk about it. Right from something which is silly to something profound, from something which is materialistic to something which is very spiritual, to dance, drama, emotions, and somehow you feel you don't touch upon a lot of topics that are taboo, and I would like to do so. I would like to talk about each and every topic that I can think about. Capsule is going to be for about 3 to 5 minutes. That's what I've decided, so to make it a little crisp and short. And I would love it if all of you could also help me contribute to the topics that I talk about, or comment. Try to give me as I say, there's always scope for improvement. Try not to find fault, but to tell me where I can improve, what are the topics I can talk about, and how we can have a more engaging session together. So this is Vidya signing off today, and after giving you a short introduction of why I have decided to have this vlog. I plan to host it every day, and let's see how it goes. So wish me all the best, and love you all. Peace.